Pete and Gus were as busy as he could be. They were getting ready for the cupcake party. It started at 3. They were making cupcakes for everyone. Pete and Gus continued them just for fun. They had 10 when were done. Oh no, hang on. Some of the cupcakes were gone. They were sure there had been 10. Pete said maybe need to count again. They counted the cupcakes lined up straight. Now there were only 8. It looked like someone had taken 2, but who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then they found a clue. Gus said, "Look what I have found. Sprinkles on the ground. I bet it was Squirrel. She loves sprinkles." Squirrel said, "It wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been at the spelling bee." Oh no! More cupcakes are missing. Come and see. This was too weird. 2 cupcakes had disappeared. Now there were only 6. Someone must be playing tricks, but who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then they found another clue. Pete said, "I bet it was the alligator. He loves to eat." Alligator said, "It wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been learning my ABCs." Oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see. Now there were only 4. Someone else has taken 2 more, but who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Then they just found another clue. It was Turtle. Pete said, "I don't know. Turtle loves sweets." Turtle said, "It wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been swimming in the sea." What on the earth was going on? All the cupcakes were gone. Pete and Gus did not know what to do. They started looking for another clue. They found Grumpy Toad with icing on his face. "Pete and Gus have solved the case. I am so sorry. It was me. I couldn't stop with just one. I ate and ate till there were none." Everyone agreed Grumpy Toad would have to miss the fun. He could have come after he had done. Pete said, "But wait, Grumpy told me a mistake. This was true. Let's give him a second chance." That's what friends